Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to take a look at the Realme Buds Q2. So we are going to open this up, see what do we get in this. We'll be testing it and then we'll be talking about who should be buying this. So let's go ahead, open this up. Okay, so that's what you get in the box. So you get the earphone itself with the charging case. You get a yellow colored small type C charging cable. You get a user manual, and this is how to wear guide. So apparently people have problems putting it in. So this will show you how to wear the earphone. You have this is the user manual, which actually tells you about the earphone, about the touch control, about the case, about everything. Now you have two extra earbuds here. Now the third one is over here. So these are the large ones, these are the small ones, and the medium one is in here. So let's move that. Now let's take a look at this. So I've been using this for a week. So I've tested it for a week, and that I wanted to see how good the case is going to be. So it does attract. I've got the white version. So white is actually not white, it is like a off-white, not a cream but like a grayish color white. So when you open it up, you have the LED light here, which actually indicates the battery life. You have the USB type C connector at the back, and that's it. So there is no pairing button like all the other ones. So this has no pairing button. If you want to pair it, you have to keep these two pressed and then go into the pairing mode. So let's take this out and look at the case. So the case is much better now from the previous version. So this is the previous version. So okay, so I still have problems opening it up. So the previous version was a blank space here, which did not have a cutout for the earphone. So here the earphone used to make sound. Here once it's in, it actually goes into that cutout and does not move. So there's no sound coming out of this. So that's one thing which I liked. Let's keep this aside. Okay, so that is the charging connector, and that's where the earphone goes. So that's it, nothing much to see here. Now let's take a closer look at the earphone itself. So this is how it looks like. It's completely made of plastic. You have this touch sensitive area which has this shiny portion. It's got a mirror finish, so that actually looks good. You can actually see me in this. So I really like that. Now I would have liked if there was a light somewhere. There's no LED light. So this is the front portion. This is where the mic is situated, which takes your sound. Then this is the background noise cancelling mic. So two mics, but they're too close to each other, so the noise separation won't be that great. Then you have the right left indicator over here, and then the charging connector. Let's remove this. Whoa, that's tight. Okay, this is just for the air to escape. That's for the bass to be produced. And then you have this tiny small outlet here for the sound to go out, and that's it. There's one more hole over here for the bass to go out. So this actually produces a lot of bass. So this is for people who love bass. So the previous one also was the same thing. It was a bass focused earphone. This one also is a bass focused earphone. Let me just show you a comparison, small comparison. So this is how the previous one used to look like, and this is the new one. Now you see the size has increased a lot, but the battery life is also increased almost double. So this one gives you 7 hours of battery life. This one used to give you around 4. So now this one has noise cancelling. The previous one did not have any noise cancellation, nothing. So that is the difference, but it is definitely an upgrade to the previous one. There are a lot of changes, like the case. Now you see it opens from the middle instead of the top. This one had a problem where it was difficult to grip and to open the case. This one, even though it still has a similar design, but since it's in the middle, you can grip properly and this opens easily. So that problem has been solved. So that's how this looks like. Now let's take a look at the app itself that we use to control these earphones. Now to control the earphone, you need to install the Realme Link app. So I have all these devices, so whatever is online right now will show up. So this is online, and okay, it's got an update. I will do the update later. So this is the option. So you get the left and right earphones battery life. So you do not get the battery life of the case. With the new this one, the Buds Air 2, you have the case battery life also. With this, you do not have the case battery life. You have the same, other options are the same. You have the noise cancelling option, noise cancelling, normal and transparency mode. Then you have sound effects, bass boost, dynamic and bright. If you want more bass boost. If you want the vocals to be highlighted, then dynamic. And if you want treble to be focused, then the bright one. Then you have the volume enhancer. If you switch that on, this becomes even louder. So this is already very loud, plus if you press this button, it will get even more louder. You have gaming mode, which you can switch on from here. Auto answer, in case you want the phone call to be automatically attended when you pick up the earphone, that option will be switched on. So then you have the button setting. Now you have three different settings. You have double tap, triple tap, and touch and hold. Now you can set that for both the earbuds separately, so you can have 6 different commands. And then you have the last one, which is for both of them combined. So you have the software for Android and for iOS, and all the features are the same. So that's how the software actually works. Okay, so you've seen the video. Now let's talk about who should be buying this. So this is a bass focused earphone for people who want noise cancellation and who want to use it for a long period of time. So normally small earphones, truly wireless earphones do not have a lot of battery life. This one has a lot. So 7 hours of battery life from a truly wireless earphone in that size is actually pretty good. I have other earphones which have like 8 hours of battery life, truly wireless one, but they are huge. This is not that big and it fits well in the ears. So really good overall. Like if I look at all the features, I really love the product. For this price, I don't think there's anything which comes close to it. So that's it. That's all that I wanted to talk about this device. If you have any doubts, please comment. Send me messages on my messenger. I reply faster on that, and then I can clear your doubts over there. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.